So let's discuss the importance of a home inspection and why you should never skip one. A professional home inspection provides a comprehensive look at the property's condition, uncovering hidden issues that might not be visible to an untrained eye, from structural concerns to electrical, plumbing issues. A thorough inspection can reveal potential problems that can cost you thousands of dollars down the line. You can also use your home inspection report as leverage to negotiate repairs or price adjustments with the seller. Home inspections also evaluate the safety and compliance of various systems within the home, including electrical, plumbing, HVAC. By identifying these safety hazards or code violations, buyers can take the steps to address these issues and ensure their new home meets all the necessary standards. Perhaps most importantly, a home inspection provides peace of mind for buyers, knowing that they're making an informed decision about one of the most significant investments in their lives. By uncovering any potential issues up front, buyers can proceed with confidence. So long story short, don't overlook the importance of a home inspection when purchasing a home, because it can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. If you have any questions or want to talk more about the implications of waiving your home inspection, feel free to comment below or DM me anytime. Thanks for watching. Maisha Michelle. Bye. Comment below and follow.